Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for stopping in today. Today I wanted to do a little unboxing of something that I have been waiting for a while, and it finally got here and I wanted to share it with you. And it is going to be my Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the premium box. It was the $30 box. I had never ordered from his website before, and when I saw he was going to have the mystery boxes, I thought it would be a great way to try out some of the products. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this. Okay, so this is how it looks. It comes with a little pink tissue paper. I'm going to get rid of the little receipt that's inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. And the first thing that I see is going to be the pop socket with the Jeffree Star logo. And this, I believe, was the exclusive item that he was going to put in them. So that's pretty cool to have. Okay, so now on to the makeup stuff. Okay, so it looks like the first thing in here is going to be this lip ammunition. And it's in the color Baby Spice. So let me put this box down here real quick. And I'm going to open it on the bottom because I don't want to break the little seal. I do that with a lot of stuff, you guys, trust me. So here is the lipstick. And it's a really, really pretty pinky mauve shade. And you guys, I have a really bad cold, so my voice sounds totally off. But I really, really wanted to share this with you, so I figured why not, right? Okay, next thing. Okay, so it's the Velour Lip Liner in the shade Unicorn Blood. And these are one of his newest products, so I'm excited to have that. And it is a red lip pencil, which I actually needed a red one. I don't know why. All I have is like nudes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I love this lid. It's so cute. And then there's the pencil. So I'm glad that he actually included one of his newest items. That's pretty cool. Okay. And then we have two more lip products. And this is one of the Velour liquid lipsticks in Royalty. So this is like a purple shade. So I'm not into the big, huge, wacky colors, but the good thing about the Jeffree Star products is that his lipsticks are eye safe, his highlighters are eye safe, so you can definitely use them as eyeshadows, you can use them as lip liners. There's a whole bunch of ways that you can use them. And here is another of the Velour liquid lipsticks, and this one is in Flamethrower. Okay, and this is like an orange shade. So again, not a shade that I would personally be using a lot, but I would still use that as an eyeshadow or as an eyeliner. That is not a problem. Okay, and then the last thing in here is going to be one of his Skin Frost. And this is in the shade Mint Condition. And oh my gosh, is this ginormous. Wow. Okay, so this is the actual packaging. And if I can open this. Okay. Wow, this is so huge. I love that. Okay. So again, it is a green shade. But I would definitely use this as an eyeshadow. Not necessarily as a highlighter. But this is humongous. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So overall, the box itself was $30. Just this alone would probably be the $30, and you got everything else for free. So I think it's definitely worth it. If you haven't tried a lot of his products, or even if you're a collector, like for $30 you get 6 products total. So I'm definitely excited to give everything a try. You can always use everything as in different ways. You can always give stuff away if there's something that you weren't happy with. But overall, the value is wonderful. I really liked it. I would definitely do this again, and try any other of his products as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm so sorry that I have this cold going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.